I audited a Shopify store which is making almost 15,000 plus, okay, revenue, okay. These numbers is not sure, but it's average, okay, ups and downs, because in Shopify or any e-commerce business, no one cannot guarantee or any tools, no tools that are showing you the exact sales amount, okay, but the results, average results, or approximately, you will see that the likes, the comments, overall engagement, okay. So that's why I found a store which is doing organic dropshipping. They don't run any ads, okay. I will show you if they run any ads, okay, or they are doing organic dropshipping, okay. So this is the brand which is doing like organic ads in Instagram, because it's the I'm researching by Instagram feeds, organic feeds, okay. So this is the hook. I'm scared to sleep in the dark me, okay. So let's see the product, okay. All right, so we will now go to the store of the Instagram profile, so no chore, which is the name, and you can see that 328 followers. These followers is doesn't matter, okay. Don't judge by the followers, okay. You will see the overall content quality, the engagement, and also the views, okay. So for example, I will see these stores, okay. I mean, this ID is like, this is 85,000 k, okay, views. This one 17, this one 1 million, okay. This one, okay. Let's see, this one's 1 million views, okay, nice. So if this one 1 million views, so let's see the engagement. So oh my god, 28k likes and almost 2000 comments. So in the overall data, research data, if you see any videos have at least 10k likes and 500 comments, so this is a good content, this is a good product, and it is going viral. So that's why this one is good in our research data. This one is good. Now we will read the comments. Also, you have to read the comments, okay. So let's see the comments. Link, everyone asking the links, okay. Beautiful, link, okay, link. So you can think that overall conversion rate, if it has 1 million views, so if we calculate in 1 million by 1%, okay. So this stores got at least 1000 orders, okay. So this is the let's see the um calculate, okay. Let's calculate. So 1 million views in one video, okay. If we think that 10%, okay, people gone to the store, so into 10 percentage, okay, 10 percentage, so then it will be the like 100k views gone to the audience, gone to the store. And in this 100k, if we calculate by conversion rate 1%, okay, let's say 1% into 1 percentage, okay. So 1000 order, okay. It's very guaranteed surety, okay, data. So 1000 orders, if we see that the average order volume of the store, like, okay, this one. So if we go to the stores, okay, this is store, so it's showing that 3200, I mean, it's the Bangladeshi taka, but if we convert in $30, okay, it's, or $40. So $40, if we convert into like 40 into 1000 order, okay, you can see that by one video it generated 40,000, okay. No need to 40,000 thing, just think that it's at least this video 1 million views, this video generated, okay, 20,000 at least, okay. This one 1 million views, this one every video's average 10k views, okay. So this stores is really making good revenue, good numbers, okay. So now let's analyze what is their success, okay. Let's see the first ads, okay. Okay, nice projector. Listen, this is the hoax. In the online dropshipping, you are selling a good story, you are educating the audience, okay. The audience doesn't know that this is the ads or this is the selling things, okay. You have to sell your product as emotionally by showing a good story, by showing a good fun, educating them, or showing a benefits, that's it, okay. Don't think that you are selling product, okay. if the audience think that it's a selling videos, they will pass the video. Okay, so so this is the hook. Don't show this to darkest anxiety. Okay, wow, nice. Okay, okay, so this guy didn't say anything that to buy my product, go to my profile. Okay, he did not say anything. Okay, but he is selling a lifestyle. He is selling a good projector. Okay, that is giving a good feelings that in your rooms, almost change your room's environment. Okay, you will feel it's amazing. Okay, so this is a secret. Okay, so don't sell, don't make video that you're selling, but make video that you are educating them, you are showing a good story or benefit a product, or viral videos. A lot of idea you can generate. Okay, in ChatGPT. So my friend, I come in YouTube after a lot of time, because in these times I am very busy with my client work. If you also need to improve your business by content creation, because I am also helping in other brands to give CS service, I mean creative strategist content creation. Okay, so just contact me in my email. I'm always available. Okay, so thank you.